Once you're in your design, look at the sidebar on the left-hand side. Click on the Elements tab. Now scroll down until you find the Shape section, then click on See All to open the full selection of shapes. Here you'll see a wide variety of shapes you can use. Click on the shape you like and it will automatically be added to your design. You can move and resize it to fit your needs. To change the color of your block, click on the shape, then look for the color icon at the top toolbar. Click it, and a new menu will appear with a variety of color options. Choose the color you want, and your shape will instantly update. Now that your color block is ready, you can adjust its size by dragging the corners. You can also add text on top of the shape to create a cool design element. If you want to add a background color behind your text in a different way, here's how. First, add a new text box. Then, with the text box selected, click on the Effects option at the top toolbar. In the Effects panel, choose Background. You'll now see options like roundness, spread, and color. Adjust these settings to customize the background color behind your text. And that's it. You now know 2 easy ways to add color blocks in Canva, either as a standalone shape or as a background for your text.